Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be preparing some delicious slime-free okra. For this dish you only need a few ingredients and the benefits are amazing. Now I know many people avoid okra because of the slime, but this nutrient-rich vegetable is packed with fiber and antioxidants. Now I know many people add okra to fish dishes and stews, but today I will be cooking it as a side dish. Now for this dish you only need to remove the stem from the okra. You do not need to cut it up, and make sure you wash it thoroughly. Now while the okra drain, I will go ahead and chop my garlic. Now as I have mentioned in previous videos, garlic has many health benefits and I rarely cook without it. Okra contains potassium, which is great for heart health. It is high in fiber, so it's good for blood sugar control and weight management. It also supports digestive health, bone health, and it supports the immune system. Now the secret to cooking slime-free okra is really in the cooking technique. Keeping the okra whole, like not cutting it up, and cooking it on high heat, like roasting or stir frying, is usually a great way to prevent the slime. This okra is not only slime-free, it is delicious because of the seasonings that are used. The okra will be infused with the garlic and onion that I add to the oil, and I will also add some complete seasoning and garlic salt. Normally when I add garlic salt to a dish, I usually don't add any salt. Now as the okra sizzle, you will want to give it a toss so that you can evenly distribute the flavors that has been added. If you've been avoiding okra because of the slime, this is a great recipe to try. The high fiber content in okra is great for somebody that's a diabetic or anybody that suffers from constipation and just need to add more fiber to their diet. Now fiber has been shown to slow down the absorption of sugar in the blood. So adding lots of fiber to your diet can contribute to better blood sugar control. Now okra is also packed with vitamin A, C and K, which is good for your immune function. So you might want to add this to the menu during the flu season. Now if you've been enjoying the video so far and you like the recipe and you like the information that I'm sharing, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't. You will have to toss the okra from time to time so that it can absorb the flavors in the bottom of the pan evenly. This will ensure that every okra that you bite into will be full of flavor. If you've never tried okra like this before, I highly recommend it. Now if you decide to try this dish, let me know what you think in the comments. The most popular way to serve okra in Jamaica is with fish, but this side dish can be eaten by itself. Now if you've been watching my channel, you know I like to show clips of my beautiful island Jamaica. This is a road trip to Negril, and this is the beautiful Negril. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.